Hello, good morning. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng vinegar out of coconut water. So, this, hindi mo na kailangan ng yeast. Hindi mo na kailangan ng sugar. All you need to do is the coconut water out of the coconut, young coconut. And all you have to do is this vinegar and the coconut water without using sugar and yeast. Matamis na matamis. One shot. Super sweet na sweet. Isa pa nga. Then, susunod nating gagawin, ito lang, no need na nalagyan ng sugar, no need to put sugar, no need to put yeast, only this vinegar from the store. You can use any vinegar except apple cider, because that apple cider do not contain yeast. What it is inside in this vinegar is yeast. So no need to buy yeast. All you need to do is put vinegar to the coconut water. One jigger shot. Another 1 1/4 jigger shot. Then add coconut water. Then after 14 days, this become a vinegar. A cold process. No need to put sugar, because the coconut water from this young coconut is very sweet, and no need to put yeast because this vinegar contain yeast, and the sugar is the food of yeast. And after 14 days, we'll see what happened to this. So guys, it is now 14 days, and this is what happened to our coconut water. Now let's try if this is taste like vinegar. So excited? So let's try this. It's one jigger shot. Let's try. Ah. It's perfect. Perfect vinegar. See? After 14 days, it's already vinegar. This is the new style, way of making a vinegar using the coconut water and without using sugar, without using yeast, because the vinegar contains already yeast. See? All natural vinegar using cold process method. Perfect.